Hi, I'm Janavi. In this video, I'll be showing how to make a cute Christmas card with a surprise New Year's gift. A perfect DIY for the coming holidays. To view the gift, simply pull the ribbon. And there you go, it's a minion! Oh well, you may wish to draw something else of your choice, something more personalized, or even just a short greeting message will do the magic. So, without further ado, let's begin. Now, just pierce the dot simply by using a pen or a pencil. To save time, I've pre-prepared this drawing. As I mentioned earlier, you may wish to draw something else. The only important part here are the measurements. Finally, just stick the bottom section using a sticky tape or glue. And that's it, an easy DIY Christmas card that your friends and family will love. I hope that you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.